we are on another installation with Camacho Blinds. Today we're in Palm Beach Gardens in the luxury neighborhood of Apex in the gated community of Avenir. We're going to be installing motorized zebra shades throughout the house. The client selected these due to the precise light control it gives, as well as the convenience and automation features it possesses.
So one of the first step we do when we get to a house during the installation process is we go to our phone and we look at the work order. And the work order will have what location, what are the measurements, and the specifications of each room. So that way we're able to guide, we're a team. So every team member will know, hey, take this area, take the other area, and everybody's organized and we're working as a cohesive unit during the installation. So now we're double checking, triple checking that our measurements accurate, and this is the blind that actually goes here. Although the work order tells me, I also use my tape measure to make sure that this blind will fit in the opening. These brackets, they're gonna not only hold the blind, but one important thing about these brackets, it's very easy for the homeowner to also release the blind if need be. They just come here after the blind is installed to the back and they release. See, it has a release point to where if they want to paint the room or if they want to take it down for whatever reason, they can. Or even the installer could come and take it down. And you asked earlier about the clip. The clip just lands on there, you'll hear. And that's it. That blind it's in there, it's installed, and now we're just gonna adjust. We're gonna adjust the cable, and then we're gonna program. We're gonna cut the sides, the top, and that blind is installed. There it goes. That's how we do it. More for light control too.
So why are you caulking the blind? Is it not?
Because it seals it, and it gives it a finished look, and it seals it to the wall. That way, it just makes it look a lot nicer, more of a finished product. And believe it or not, the caulking actually holds it up there as well. It gives it extra support, which is an added benefit. But it's not why we're doing it. It's more for like the finished look of it. There is some blind companies that don't do this step, and I just think it's a 5-star process, man. It makes it look so much nicer.
Here in the master bedroom, they have a phenomenal view, but the client wanted to have a beautiful aesthetic window treatment to complement the view. With our expertise, we concluded that zebra shades was the perfect fit, and with added functionality of motorizing it, so he and his wife can control it with a remote. At Camacho Blinds, we offer a variety of features when it comes to zebra shades, whether you want it motorized with a remote, manual done by hand, or voice automated like Amazon Alexa or Apple Siri. Just let us know, and we can come up with a solution for you.
One more thing about the zebra blinds, and I will say it's more important as well. It's like it's one window treatment that is affordable. compared to shutters, compared to silhouette, compared to honeycombs. It's way more affordable, and all the parts on the cassette are interchangeable. So that allows us to give you a 5-year warranty, because all the parts we can replace it, we can fix in a spot whatever damage or whatever happened to your blind. We can go to your home and fix it immediately. So very good price, beautiful window treatment. We'll give you privacy. We will give you like a very decent darkening on your room. So that's the perfect blind.
Here in the master bathroom, the house next door is visibly being constructed, and our client #1 priority was privacy. He found out the house being built doesn't have a second story, so the client decided to focus solely on the lower windows. Here, Edens easily installs the motorized zebra shades to the 3 windows in the bathroom, fulfilling the client's wishes of having complete privacy with the power of selective light control in one of the most intimately private rooms in the home, the bathroom. What a difference zebra shades can do for your home. Plus, with the added functionality of it being motorized with the touch of a button on the remote, ease and functionality couldn't have been any better. Each room transformation was done with excellent craftsmanship, expertise, and utmost care. All done the Camacho blinds way. In the end, the client loved the home transformation, and we at Camacho Blinds are completely ecstatic that our client chose us to assist them on achieving their home aesthetic goals.